children, this class is for standard 5 and the subject is mathematics. In this class, we are going to cover chapter number 1, place value, exercise 1.1. Topics covered in this class are Indian place value chart, number names, expanded form, successor and predecessor of a given number, exercise 1.1. Let us recall what we have learned in our lower classes. We have already learned the Indian place value chart up to lakhs period. In this class, we are going to learn the Indian place value chart up to crore period. The chart look like a table. Periods under the Indian place value chart are ones period, thousands period, lakh period and crore period. And the places under ones period are ones, tens and hundreds. And the places under thousand period are thousand and 10,000. And the places under the period lakh are lakh and 10 lakh. Similarly, the places under crore period are crores and 10 crores. So, the Indian place value chart consists of periods ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. The places under the Indian place value chart are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Exercise 1.1. Example number 1, page number 12. Write 2 crore 78 lakh 98,654 in the place value chart. How will you read it? We need to form a place value chart under Indian system. Therefore, the table consists of the periods ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. And the places we need to write the number from the ones digit and thousands and then lakh and then crore. Therefore, we need to write the number from the right to left. Under 1 we have 4, 5, 6. Under 1000 we have 8, 9. Under lakh we have 8, 7. Under crore we have 2. How to read the number? We need to read the number based on the periods. Therefore, under crore we have only 2. Therefore, we need to read as 2 crores. Under lakh we have 78. Therefore, we need to read it as 78 lakh. Under 1000 we have 98. Therefore, we need to read it as 98,000. Under ones we have 654. Therefore, we need to read it as 654. While reading, we read as 2 crore 78 lakh 98,654. Let us see exercise problem in detail. Exercise 1.1. The first problem. Write the number names for the following numbers. A. 24, 06, 033. In this, 33 is in ones period, 6 is in thousands period and 24 is in lakh period. Therefore, we need to read this as 24 lakh 6,033. B 36, 02, 788. 788 is in ones period, 2 is in thousands period, 36 is in lakh period. Therefore, we need to read this as 36 lakh 2,788. Similarly, F problem 5, 09, 22, 010. 010 is in ones period, 22 is in thousand period, 9 is in lakh period, and 5 is in crore period. Therefore, we need to read this as 5 crore 9 lakh 22,010. The next topic is expanded form. Here we are going to see how to write an expanded form for a given number. Let us consider an example 20 lakh 59,601. To write the expanded form, we need to find the place value of each digit in the number. The place value can be found using multiplying the number along with the place where it is in the number. For example, the 1 is in ones place, therefore 1 into 1, which is equal to 1. 0 is placed in tens place, therefore the number 0 into 10, which is equal to 0. The next we have 6, which is in hundreds place, therefore 6 into 100, which is equal to 600. The next 9 is in thousands place, therefore 9 into 1000, which is equal to 9000. 5 is in 10,000 place, therefore 5 into 10,000, which is equal to 50,000. The next 0 is in lakh place, whereas 0 into 1 lakh equal to 0. Similarly, 2 is in 10 lakh, therefore 2 into 10 lakh, which is equal to 20 lakh. While writing the expanded form for the given number, we need to write the numbers in the descending order, that is from the greatest number to the lowest number. Therefore, 20 lakh 59,601 equal to 20 lakh plus 0 plus 50,000 plus 9,000 plus 600 plus 0 plus 1. In the expanded form, there is no need to specify the zeros in special. Therefore, the expanded form changes as 20 lakh plus 50,000 plus 9,000 plus 600 plus 1. Based on the expanded form we have learned, let us see some exercise problem in detail. Exercise 1.1, the second problem. Write the following numbers in their expanded form. A. 80 lakh 60,518. That is the expanded form, which is equal to 80 lakh plus 60,000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 8. B. 66 lakh 27,923. The expanded form can be written as 60 lakh plus 6 lakh plus 20,000 plus 7,000 plus 900 plus 20 plus 3. D. Problem 9 crore 86 lakh 40, which can be written as in the expanded form as 9 crore plus 80 lakh plus 6 lakh plus 40. Question number 3. Write the place value of the underlined digits. A. 98 lakh 74,321. In this question, the underlined digit is 9, which is in the place of 10 lakh. Therefore, to get the place value, we need to multiply the number and where it is placed. The number is 9 and it is placed in 10 lakh. Therefore, 9 into 10 lakh, which is equal to 90 lakh, or we can write as 90 lakh. B question, 25 lakh 33,126. In this question, the underlined digit is 5, which is placed in lakh period. Therefore, we need to multiply 5 into 1 lakh, which gives 5 lakh, or we can write as 5 lakh. The D question, 9 crore 40 lakh 22,026. In this question, the underlined digit is 0 and it is placed in lakh place. Therefore, we need to multiply 0 into 1 lakh, which is equal to 0. Therefore, the place value of the underlined digit in the given number is 0. The next question, question number 4, write the successor and predecessor of the following numbers. To get the predecessor, we need to subtract 1 from the given number. That is, for example, if the number is 5, the predecessor of 5 is 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. Similarly, to get the successor of the given number, we need to add 1 to the number. That is, for example, if we have 5, to get the successor of 5, we need to add 1. That is 5 plus 1, which is equal to 6. The first A question, 21 lakh 83,715. The predecessor is 21 lakh 83,714 and the successor is, we need to add 1 to the number. Therefore, we get 21 lakh 83,716. The C subdivision, 1 crore 24 lakh 6,629. To get the predecessor, we need to subtract 1. Therefore, while subtracting 1, we get 1 crore 24 lakh 6,628. Similarly, to get the successor, we need to add 1 to the given number. Therefore, it becomes 1 crore 24 lakh 6,613. D question, 5 crore 66 lakh 83,700. To get the predecessor, we need to subtract 1 from the given number. Therefore, we get the answer 5 crore 66 lakh 83,699. To get the successor, we need to add 1 to the given number. Therefore, we get 5 crore 66 lakh 83,701. The next question, compare the following number and put greater than, less than or equal to symbol. First question, 23 lakh 10,909. In the right side, we have 8 crore 5 lakh 66,152. So, the number in the right side is greater. So, we need to put the symbol. Second question, 54 lakh 581. In the right side, we have 54 lakh 10,629. So, the second number is greater. We need to put this symbol. D problem, 7 crore 77 lakh 77,777. And in the right side, we have 7 crore 7 lakh 77,777. So, the left side number is greater. So, we need to put this symbol. The last question, question number 6. Build the smallest and greatest 7-digit number using the digits given below. You cannot repeat the digits. A subdivision. The digits are 1, 7, 3, 0, 5, 2 and 4. To get the smallest number, first arrange all these numbers in the ascending order. Therefore, we get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 0 cannot be placed in the first position. So, change the position of 0 to the second position. We get 10,23,457. To get the greatest number, we need to arrange the given digits in descending order. That is, from largest number to the smallest number. After writing all the numbers, separate the commas based on the Indian system. Therefore, if we arrange the numbers in descending order, we get 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So, the greatest number is 75,43,210. Thank you, children.